All right, so today we're going to talk about the Myers exclusive PCL XF series high flow couplers. You know you're familiar with the traditional TrueFlate style, and you can kind of see the size difference there going from XF to TrueFlate. Some of the advantages here, traditionally we'd have made the materials out of brass. These are going to be made out of a carbon steel. I know many of you have seen the fitment on these, how clean they are, how good the precision is, and how they fit together. On top of that, these are steel as we discussed. After we manufacture these, they go through a special hardening process, and then there's a anodized coating that goes on them to stop corrosion. Any of our series that have the blue band come with a manufacturer's 5-year warranty against defects. So you're stepping up into a high flow series that's going to be much more robust and carry that warranty. We also have the 100 series. You can see based on the shape of this, it's a flow accelerator. These are the models that we're using on the 1-inch guns. We started to feature these on the service trucks. Again, a much more heavy, robust piece that's going to give you years of service. So when we're looking at the differences here, the quality is unmatched. You're going to get strength, you're going to get durability, and you're going to get a much higher flow rate than what you were used to. And again, that's the PCL series. You guys have an exclusive on them, and they're ready to launch now.